Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Character.AI account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search Character.AI and press enter. And now you will be led to this kind of interface. And at the top left, you can see two options, sign up or log in. If you haven't created or signed up for a Character.AI account, then you can click on this option. But as we already have our account, then we will simply click on login. Now you can log in either using your Google or your Apple, or you can simply enter your email. For this video, we will go for email. Now, after you are done entering your email, all you need to do is click on continue. Now a verification link will be sent to your email. Make sure to check it. All you need to do is click on that link sent in the email. And after that, you will be successfully logged into your Character.AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.